Well, thank you everybody for coming. My name is Wyatt O'Rourke. I'm the co-founder of Pax Partners. It's an honor to be in the beautiful city of Abu Dhabi, the sound money capital. Today, I will be walking us through private credit for the digital age. I'll be framing the convergence of Bitcoin and traditional finance, how we operate in this space, and how we see the industry moving forward. So first and foremost, the state of play. We are witnessing the Bitcoinization of finance. We're applying traditional financial tools, products, and strategies to Bitcoin. And this is very exciting. Now, this leads to a Bitcoinized financial system where the asset, Bitcoin, actually settles and trades in kind. Now, this is a far cry from our existing monetary system that is predominantly paper-based, that obfuscates real market signals. And this is only possible due to Bitcoin's unique digital native properties. Now, hyper-Bitcoinization is only possible if the largest pools of capital in the world have the appropriate financial instruments to get dollars into Bitcoin. This is beautifully, simply, and succinctly represented in Jesse Meyer's graph of total global store of value assets. As Jess Booth says, if the money's not scarce, it will flow into scarce assets. Now, if we believe there will be more dollars in circulation in the future, which I think most Bitcoiners do, and if they don't, I hear Abu Dhabi has fantastic brain trauma doctors, so you're in the right place. But this graph does the best job at elaborating or predicting Bitcoin's future value proposition and how we get dollars into Bitcoin. It is up to us as entrepreneurs in this space to do so, and I'm obviously biased, but I think Bitcoin financial services is the most exciting industry to be in right now because we have this existing traditional financial playbook that we simply need to apply to Bitcoin. Now, we're in a unique moment in time that exists in Bitcoin's currency maturation cycle. We are between a store of value and medium of exchange. And at Pax, we're dubbing this a new emerging market, the fiat return on Bitcoin exposure market. Now, this only exists while there is both demand for dollars and Bitcoin. And it won't last forever. There is higher or greater return possibilities earlier in the currency maturation cycle than there will be later when everything is priced and denominated in Bitcoin. The question in this market dynamic really becomes, how synthetic is your Bitcoin exposure? Investors want the highest fiat-denominated return with the most direct exposure to Bitcoin. Investment issuers need to find that balance. Now, at Pax Partners, we're launching the Bitcoin Secured Yield Fund 1. This is a private credit fund investing in short-duration Bitcoin collateralized loans. We are a dollar liquidity provider for Bitcoin-backed loan servicers and originators. We have a compelling risk profile of 50% LTV. We have attractive and stable yields ranging from 8 to 10%. Senior ownership of loan interest and collateral. And we believe the private credit fund model is the best balance between strong yield with minimal exposure to synthetic Bitcoin. This really parlays into what we believe the industry is moving to, which is digital credit. This is Bitcoin as productive capital. So digital credit is simply what happens when Bitcoin, the base asset, gets lent in a controlled, transparent, and enforceable way. Debt is core infrastructure. Debt markets are the financial system's plumbing. They move capital, they price risk, and they scale economic activity. Hard money, modern credit, digital credit replicates these same market roles powered by Bitcoin. So we're going to see a more market-driven risk assessment of Bitcoin as it continues to mature in the financial ecosystem. Now, at PAX, we believe everyone is responsible for building their respective industries within the principles, values, and ethos of Bitcoin. With Bitcoin Secured Yield Fund, we are applying traditional financial products to Bitcoin to support the build-out of the digital credit industry. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. My name is Wyatt O'Rourke. I'll be at the conference all week. We'll love to chat. Thank you very much.